What is going on, you guys? It's a beautiful Saturday morning and we are going to some garage sales. Oh, okay. Free box.
Oh, we have some bargains in there. It's all free.
All free, yeah. How are y'all?
Good, how are you doing?
Good.
Have a good day. You too. Good morning. $10 for all of them.
A little old for me, I think. $25. No idea what that is.
Nothing?
Nope. Nothing at all. So this garage sale is like a big church organization, I think. So I think it's probably the biggest garage sale I've ever seen. Like, this thing is ginormous.
People have veggies.
That's the way to do it. Us rolling up here with one IKEA bag. I mean, look at all that. Lots of lamps. House bookings.
Dog bandana for $1.
Dog bandana for $1. Okay, we'll definitely get that. Look at this laser light projection show thing. Show lights. $25, regular $80.
Can I make it a little easier for you to...
It is new, isn't it? And sold for $50 plus shipping. I don't think there's enough profit on that.
This is cool.
Whirly pop. Only $5.
Yeah.
New in the box. I'll get that. Note card kit. Tripod for $2. Get that.
Yeah, $25 for this Rollins. $25.
$25.
Yeah.
That's pretty pricey,
Yeah.
even for a brand new glove. I don't think I can pay that much for it. Some stuff is like stupid cheap and other stuff is like really expensive.
It's because multiple people have been
Pricing stuff.
It's like Goodwill.
Yeah, it is just like Goodwill.
What about Garmin? Not loose. I don't know.
They're $1? I'll take a chance on it. Oh, sorry.
Right.
All this stuff that's like new in box. I'm just grabbing it. Wow, this is cool.
There's some scar in there.
Vintage 1930s seltzer bottle. Soda seltzer. Interesting. What do they want for it?
$5.
Oh,
I think that's pretty cool.
that is cool.
I'm gonna grab it. I'm running out of room though. This thing is sealed still. Brand new sealed thermoshield. Definitely gonna get that.
Okay. This is just like a cool box. It's made in Norway.
Made in Norway. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Look at this thing, supervisor. You mount it to your visor, and then if you ever drive your car into the lake, you can use that to cut your seatbelt off.
Huh. You want it, Tom?
I guess. I'm still looking.
Absolutely, that's what I got right here.
I brought one of my own. I filled it up pretty quickly.
You can't find one, pick it up. This lady's got.
Thank you.
You bet.
Excuse me. Everything's pretty organized.
We should have come to this one first, John.
Yeah. Definitely should have came to this one first.
Here's trouble.
Oh.
Games, books. Hello, how are you?
No, I haven't had anything to drink all morning. You hear this? They're sitting there running their.
Yeah, there. We're on the sky.
It's a lot of puzzles. Puzzles and games. Jigsaw book. Oh wow. That's cool.
Thank you so much, sir. See you over next week.
That's new.
Oh, that's cool.
You know, somebody didn't know. Well, I feel like I stay home.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. And it's the 50th anniversary edition.
Yeah.
See that episode of I Love Lucy?
For $1.
Lucy and Ethel?
Definitely gonna get that. Ooh, Harry Potter. Yes.
Harry Potter books. 25 cents.
25 cents each?
Yeah. Excuse me? Hey.
It's the Lucky brand. No, I don't know anything about bags. Oops. Rugged American. Take a chance on this. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, 3 bags here.
Okay, let's see here.
I had no time.
These are all 25 cents a piece.
Yeah, they didn't charge you inside?
No, we just came out here.
Okay. That's $1.19. 26, 29, 30. What is this?
It's a tripod.
Yeah, it's a tripod. Here it is. 30. No, that's it. 36.
You see anything on that?
I thought I did.
Push Jody. Jody!
I don't know. Maybe it fell off.
36. Where's Billy? Billy! It doesn't have a... How much? It doesn't have a price. 2. What did I say? 36 or 38? 38.
All right. $38.
38. Okay. 38. Yep.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
See, those were reasonable prices
Yeah.
on most of this stuff.
That's
Not like
that's how
last-
you have a garage sale.
Yeah. When you have that much stuff, you want the prices low so you can get rid of it.
Yeah. And I still had a ton of stuff left over. I still feel like I felt like I was spending more money than that. Like 38 bucks for all this stuff. It's crazy. All right, you guys, so we just got home a couple minutes ago. I got everything laid out here that we picked up at the garage sales today. This, like 90% of this stuff came from that big yard sale we went to. There's this church sale that's like on the main road before we get to our house, and they've had like a recurring sale pretty much like once a month, and I've been 3 or 4 times. I've never bought anything from them, but I did stop by today. I didn't even take my camera because I was so sure that I wasn't going to find anything, but I picked up these 4 items here at that sale. This Tiger Games Lights Out game for $2. This should sell for about $20 to $25 plus shipping. We got a Google Home Mini, like new open box. Probably somebody gave it to their grandma for Christmas and she didn't want it, so she just donated it to the church yard sale. This should sell for, I don't know, like 20, 25 bucks plus shipping or so. I got this really cool John Deere lamp. Take the lampshade off. It's got like a little tractor on there. It's kind of dusty, but I didn't see anything that was like broken off of it, so definitely a pretty cool item there. I think this was, yeah, $5 right there. And then I picked up this golf club for like $2. We paid $12 for all this stuff at the second yard sale, and then we spent $38 on everything at the bigger yard sale. So all in all this stuff cost us $50 total, and we should be able to make all of that money back just on this one Thermacell patio shield thing, brand new in the box. It was $3. This should sell for maybe not all of our money back. It should sell for like $40, $45 plus shipping. So definitely pretty good. I haven't looked up everything yet, but this set of Garmin Bands should sell for like 15. This is probably about 10. This maybe like 8 to 10 plus shipping. This set of J.R.R. Tolkien books should sell for about 20 to 25 plus shipping. I mean, nothing really crazy. I don't know much about this Magic the Gathering game. I looked up sold comps on the whole set, and it wasn't a lot at all. It was like $10 plus shipping. But it looks like it has all the pieces, and some people sell these pieces individually on eBay for like, you know, $2, $3, $4 a piece. It has all this stuff here, and it has, I'm messing stuff up, has all the stuff down there as well. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'll auction it off. Just, you know, if somebody wants to buy it to resell, they could take the time to list all these individual pieces and probably make a good amount of money. And so I couldn't leave it behind for just $2. I figured it was definitely worth at least that. The Whirly Pop thing's probably worth like 20 bucks. Oh, the seltzer thing is really cool. This is a vintage, says 1930s seltzer bottle. I've seen people make like lamps out of this, like drill out through the middle and then make it into a cool lamp, like a little Edison bulb or something come out the top. But yeah, I think it was pretty good, especially just because we went to, we technically went to 3 garage sales today, but the first one we didn't find anything. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you think this is a good haul for $50? I have a correction. After I finished that last clip, Haley was like, you didn't give me credit for anything, and I have to correct myself. She did find a lot of these items. She found the Harry Potter books, and she found the J.R.R. Tolkien books, and the Whirly Pop, and the Google Home Mini. She was very helpful today, and it was actually her idea to go garage selling, so that was definitely a surprise, and we had a really nice morning together. So I really enjoyed going to that yard sale. Like I said in the title of today's video, that was the largest one I've ever seen in person. I know there are ones where like people just organize on the same day and it's like miles, hundreds of miles of continuous garage sales, but in terms of one sale at one location, I think that's the biggest one I've ever seen and been a part of. And obviously we found some really good stuff as well. So we're gonna go ahead and actually get some of this stuff photographed and listed. Haley is actually motivated to help me in the reselling side of things today. So we're gonna do that for a while, maybe go to the driving range or something later on, enjoy the work half the Saturday and enjoy the other half of the Saturday. So if you guys enjoyed today's video at all, take a couple seconds and hit that like button down below. It's totally free and really helps me out a ton. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're the best, and I'll catch you. You gonna do it on the next one.